Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to move column chart in new sheet. So let's start this Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to create first column chart. Simply select the data, go to the insert tab in charts group, click on the column charts. In 2D column, click on the first option and here you can see the column chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. You can just drag the corner point and increase the size of the column chart. To move this chart, simply click on the charts and go to the chart design tab. In location group, click on the move charts option. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, move chart. Choose where you want the chart to be placed. Okay. There are two options here. The first one, new sheet. You can move this chart in new sheet. Simply click on it and edit the name of your sheet name. Okay, so I just edited my sheet name, create a new sheet and these charts in create a sheet. Okay, so I add here the column chart. Okay, and click on OK. And here you can see here new sheet is added, column chart, and sheet number one chart is moved in new sheet. Okay, so this is the way you can move your column chart in new sheet. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.